Hi guys, this is Desmond here with another technical analysis on cable as we come into the final trading day of the week. Now coming into yesterday, what we were looking at on cable is, price potentially forming some sort of retracement or rally into this level, and then seeing a some further bearish sentiment enter the market and price push lower. Now we didn't actually get that move, into this sort of zone. What we did see is that price continued to remain suppressed beneath that 50 exponential moving average as it maintained as dynamic resistance. And going into the Bank of England rate decision and meeting, we did have, the rate maintained as expected and unchanged at 0.1%. Then we also had asset purchases increased by 100 billion with a vote of 8-1. Now, despite seeing asset purchases increase, we did have the BOE state that the pace at which they purchase assets will be slowed, and this suggests that the UK assets will be vulnerable to shifts in sentiment in the up and coming weeks. Now, this also comes as investors also deal and grapple with Brexit-related uncertainties. So we did see the pound sort of weaken on that news, and breaking through 124.50 and this key 4-hourly level of support. Now going into today, I'll be looking at price potentially moving lower down into the next region of support, which also doubles as a 127 extension from our previous swing high to swing low. Now what we can see here at present is we do have this region on the hourly time frame, which also ties in with the daily intraday pivot level, where I will be potentially expecting sellers to step in. If we also take a Fibonacci retracement from swing high to swing low, you can also see that that level ties in with a 38.2% retracement, with the 127 extension also tying in with this level. We do have S1 also in this region here. We do also have the 50 exponential moving average in this region, where price could also find some further levels of resistance. In addition to that, we have another minor sort of trend line that if price does come into test, then we can expect potentially some further downside on this pair. Fundamentally, today we did see, we did have a release of retail sales from the UK, and those figures did come out higher than expected and higher than previous at 12%. And later on in the day, we will have Fed Chair Powell speaking at 6 p.m. So that's going to be it from me, guys, coming into this last trading day. Do have a great trading day and a weekend and a good weekend. Thank you.